Welcome to your guide on receiving Worldremit payments. It takes just minutes. Begin by ensuring you have a Worldremit account. This process is simple, and the sender needs to have an account to initiate the transfer. Let the sender know you want to receive money from them and their Worldremit account. First, the sender logs into their account. They'll start creating a transfer. The sender inputs your details into the transfer request. This includes your full name, as it appears on your Worldremit account. Then they will choose the country. This process means your funds will arrive through your Worldremit balance account. Remind your sender to confirm the exchange rate, fees, and payment total before confirming. After the sender completes the transfer and pays, funds are immediately credited to your balance. You will receive a notification, and the transaction details are made available to help you track transactions. The transfer should take only a few minutes. Congratulations! Your Worldremit balance is updated. Now you can withdraw the funds to your bank account or use them to send money to someone else. Remember that service fees may apply, but you can check out our other videos for more features. Thanks for watching.